Hey guys, welcome back again to another exciting video. Here in today's video, we will learn the inspiring story of Mukesh. Therefore, before we begin, if you are new to this channel and like the content what we post, then you should go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon so that you'll never miss this kind of interesting videos when we upload them. Let's get started. Mukesh Chand Mathur, better known mononymously as Mukesh, was an Indian playback singer. Mukesh is considered to be one of the most popular and acclaimed playback singer of the Hindi film industry. Amongst the numerous nominations and awards, he won his song "Kai Baar Yun Hi Dekha Hai" from the film Rajnigandha in 1973 won him the National Film Award for Best Male Playback Singer. Mukesh was also popular as being the voice of actors Raj Kapoor, Manoj Kumar, Feroz Khan, Sunil Dutt, and Dilip Kumar. Mukesh was born in Delhi in a Hindi Mathur Kayastha family. His parents were Zorawar Chand Mathur, an engineer, and Chandrani Mathur. He was the sixth in a family of 10 children. The music teacher who came home to teach Mukesh's sisters, Sundar Pyari, found a pupil in Mukesh who would listen from the adjoining room. Mukesh left school after the 10th grade and worked briefly for the Department of Public Works. He experimented with voice recordings during his employment in Delhi and gradually developed his singing abilities and also his musical instrumental skills. Mukesh's voice was first noticed by Motilal, a distant relative, when he sang at his sister's wedding. Motilal took him to Mumbai and arranged for singing lessons by Pandit Jagannath Prasad. During this period, Mukesh was offered a role as an actor-singer in a Hindi film, Nirdosh, in 1941. His first song was Dil Hi Bujha Hua Ho To as an actor-singer for Nirdosh. He got his break as a playback singer for actor Motilal in 1945 with the film Pehli Nazar with music composed by Anil Biswas and lyrics written by A. Sitapuri. The first song that he sang for the Hindi film was Dil Jalta Hai To Jalne De. Mukesh was such a fan of singer K.L. Sehgal that in his early years of playback singing, he used to imitate his idol. In fact, it is said that when K.L. Sehgal first heard the song Dil Jalta Hai, he remarked, "That's strange, I don't recall singing that song." Mukesh created his own singing style with the help of music director Naushad Ali, who helped Mukesh to come out of his Sehgal style and create his own style. Naushad gave him songs for film Andaz. Initially, Mukesh was the ghost voice for Dilip Kumar in this movie and Mohammad Rafi sang for Raj Kapoor. He delivered many hits for Naushad in films like Anokhi Ada in 1948, Mela in 1948, Andaz in 1949. Other composers who used Mukesh's voice for great Dilip Kumar in hit songs like Jeevan Sapna Toot Gaya were Anil Biswas in Anokha Pyar, Ye Mera Deewanapan Hai, Shankar Jaikishan in Yahudi, and Suhana Safar and Dil Tadap Tadap Ki, Salil Chaudhary in Madhumati. However, later Dilip Kumar chose Rafi as his ghost voice and Mukesh became the ghost voice of Raj Kapoor. Mukesh recorded highest number of songs for Shankar Jaikishan, that is 133 songs, followed by Kalyanji Anandji, that is 99 songs. Out of 4 Filmfare Awards, Mukesh won 3 awards for Shankar Jaikishan songs. In 1974, Mukesh received National Film Award for Best Male Playback Singer for the song Kai Baar Yun Hi Dekha Hai from Rajnigandha in 1974 and Filmfare Award for the song Sab Kuch Seekha Humne in the movie Anadi in 1959, Sabse Bada Nadan Wahi Hai in Pehchan in 1970 Jai Bolo Beeman Ki. In Beeman in 1972. All the three songs composed by Shankar Jaikishan. And Kabhi Kabhi Mere Dil Mein, the title song of film Kabhi Kabhi in 1976, composed by Khayyam. A total of around 1300 songs were sung by him. This number is less than those sung by some of his contemporaries. But the fact that is Mukesh emphasized on quality rather than quantity. The comparatively fewer songs sung by him in the 1970s can be attributed to his failing health due to the worsening heart problem. Mukesh sang many songs for Kalyanji Anandji, the music director duo. Mukesh sang more songs with the KA duo after Shankar Jaikishan. From Naina Hai Jadoo Bhare, Bedard Zamana Kya Jaane in 1958, composed by Kalyanji alone as Kalyanji Virji Shah, and Main Hoon Mast Madari from Madari in 1959 as the first Kalyanji Anandji Mukesh combo. 2. Chahe Aaj Mujhe Na Pasand Karo from Darinda in 1977, the K.A. Mukesh combination gave numerous popular songs like Chhaliya Mera Naam, Mere Toote Hue Dil Se, Dum Dum Diga Diga, Chaliya in 1959, Mujhko Is Raat Ki Tanhai Mein, Dil Bhi Tera Hum Bhi Tere in 1960, Hum Chhod Chale Hain Mehfil Ko from जी चाहता है, हमने तुमको प्यार किया है जितना फ्रॉम दुल्हा दुल्हन, चल मेरे दिल लहरा के चल फ्रॉम इशारा एंड धीरे से चलो जौहर महमूद इन गोवा, मैं तो एक ख्वाब हूँ एंड चांद सी महबूबा हो हिमालय की गोद में इन 1965, वक्त करता है जो वफा, दिल ने पुकारा दीवानों से ये मत पूछो, उपकार, खुश रहो हर खुशी है, सुहागरात एंड हम सफ़र, अब ये सफ़र कट जाएगा जुआरी, चांद की दीवार एंड ले चल मेरे जीवन साथी फ्रॉम विश्वास इन 1969। कोई जब तुम्हारा हृदय तोड़ दे पूरब और पश्चिम, दर्पण को देखा फ्रॉम उपासना, जो तुमको हो पसंद फ्रॉम सफ़र एंड मुझे नहीं पूछनी तुमसे बीती बातें फ्रॉम अनजान राहे इन 1970। Out of the numerous songs he gave his voice to कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए फ्रॉम आनंद इन 1971, एक प्यार का नगमा है फ्रॉम शोर, मैंने तेरे लिए ही सात रंग के फ्रॉम आनंद, सब कुछ सीखा हमने फ्रॉम अनाड़ी, जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ एंड कहता है जोकर फ्रॉम मेरा नाम जोकर इन 1971 are the most popular among his fans and followers. Mukesh started his career as an actor-singer in the film Nirdosh in 1941 with Nalini Jayant as his heroine. His second film was Adab Arz in 1943. He played a guest role in Raj Kapoor's film in 1953. He acted as a hero in the film Mashuka in 1953 opposite Suraya and in the film Anurag in 1956. He was also the co-producer and composer in the film opposite Usha Kiran and Mridula Rani. Mukesh also produced a film Malhar in 1951 with hero Arjun and heroine Shami with Darling Films. Mukesh was a favorite of renowned Indian spin bowler Bhagwat Chandrasekhar. When the sound of a Mukesh song drifted to the pitch, Chandrasekhar's acknowledgement of the tribute would bring a roar from the crowd. Sunil Gavaskar wrote that sometimes he hummed a Mukesh tune on the field to inspire Chandra. Chandra's passion affected teammates Kirmani, Gundappa Vishwanath, and even some journalists. Google commemorated Mukesh on his 93rd birthday anniversary in 2016. Mukesh married Sarla Trivedi Raichand, daughter of Raichand Trivedi. Sarla's father was a millionaire with no proper house an erratic income, and what was then considered in India a supposedly immoral profession, singer in movies. The consent of Sarla's father for this marriage could not be obtained, and Mukesh and Sarla were forced to elope. Mukesh's 23rd birthday, with the help of the actor Motilal and from the residents of R.D. Mathur. Everyone made dire predictions of unhappy days and divorce, but both weathered and lean days and celebrated their 30th wedding anniversary on 22nd July 1976, 4 days before his departure for the USA. The couple had 5 children: Rita, the singer Nitin, Nalini, Mohnish, and Namrata. The actor Neil Nitin Mukesh is a grandson of Mukesh. Mukesh died of a heart attack on 27 August 1976 in Detroit, Michigan, USA, where he had gone to perform in a concert. That morning, he got up early and went to take a shower. He came out short of breath and complaining of chest pain. He was rushed to a hospital but was pronounced dead. The rest of the concert was completed by Lata Mangeshkar and his son Nitin Mukesh. His body was flown to India by Lata Mangeshkar, where a grand funeral ceremony was held in the presence of several actors with personalities of the Indian film industry and fans paying tribute. When news of his death reached his acquaintance and actor Raj Kapoor, he burst into tears and remarked, "I have lost my voice," which is a testimony to the association of Mukesh's voice in playback to the immensely popular songs of Raj Kapoor films. A famous song of the 1950s featured on Bharat Bhushan, "Aa Laut Ke Aaja Mere Meet," is another example of his earlier melodies, as is "Dil Tadap Tadap Ke Keh Raha Hai," picturized on Dilip Kumar. After Mukesh's death, his newer, hitherto unreleased songs were released in 1977 in films such as Dharamveer, Amar Akbar Anthony, Khel Khiladi Ka, Darinda, and Chandi Sona. The year 1978 also featured a considerable number of Mukesh's songs in films such as Ahuti, Paramatma, Tumhari Kasam, and Satyam Shivam Sundaram, where Mukesh sang his last film song Chanchal Sheetal Nirmal Komal for Raj Kapoor's younger brother Shashi Kapoor. From 1980 onward, Mukesh's voice was heard in many later released films such as Shaitan Mujrim, Premika, Patthar Se Takkar, Saanj Ki Bela, Maila Aanchal, Arohi, Chor Mandali, Nirlaj, Love and God, Shubh Chintak, and his last known release of Chand Grahan in 1997. Well, that was the life story of Mukesh. We hope you have liked today's video. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You will find the contact details down in the description. If you have liked today's video, then don't forget to drop a like to it and share it with your family and friends so that even they get to know about Mukesh. To be notified when we upload these kind of interesting videos, you should go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, you can watch the rest of the videos which are going to appear right now here on the screen. Enjoy!